Look a little nervous over there, Eric.
Never!
It's the Dad Joke Off on your morning show. I'm John. Riley is here.
Hi.
Rose is here.
Hello.
That is Eric.
Yo!
We will go back and forth. We will trade dad jokes.
Yes.
The key is if you laugh, if you smile, the game is over. Now, you are defending champion.
Yes! You can't take that away from me, buddy. I won once.
I can take it away from you by winning this time.
Eric, don't gloat.
That's if you
Don't
win,
gloat.
sir. That's if you win.
Okay, so would you like to go first on today's Dad Joke Off as the champion, or do you want me
You
to
know
go
what?
first?
I would like to go
Okay.
first.
Okay.
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
Why did the bread not go to the doctor?
I don't know. Why?
Because it felt butter in the morning.
It's not bad.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Butter, huh?
Hey, Eric.
Hey, John.
How do you tell if a vampire is sick?
How?
If they start coughing.
Okay.
Coughing. Oh, that almost got you, though.
Okay. Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
Why did a tomato blush?
I don't know why.
Because it saw the salad dressing.
Okay, that was cute.
Here's the thing.
That was cute.
Eric sells it well. Like, he gets really into, like, the...
He gets very animated and shakes his body.
Okay. Eric,
Yes.
why don't eggs tell jokes?
Why?
They crack up too easily. Get it? Because they
That was a good one.
Crack
They crack.
too easily.
Funny. I like that.
Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
You know you should always knock before opening the fridge, right?
Why?
Just in case the salad's dressing.
You can't use the same joke twice.
It's like the same joke.
Same punchline, different joke.
The salad is dressing.
He loves that one. Look at him. He's so excited.
No, selling it, I don't think is helping. All right. Okay. Hey, Eric.
Hey, John.
How can you tell it's a dogwood tree?
How?
By the bark.
Okay.
Because
Yeah, no.
tree bark.
Look at Rose.
The
Rose is dying
dogwoods
over
are
here.
White and the
Okay, don't
flowers.
dissect the
I was
joke.
a horticulturist in high
Okay.
school.
You
So
were a
yeah.
what in high school?
I took horticulture for like all my years in high school.
You have ventriloquist?
That
in
doesn't
high
make
school?
you a horticulturist. I can't even say that word.
All right. Hey, John.
Yes, Eric.
Why do teenagers always walk in odd numbers?
I don't know, Eric. Why?
Because, like, they can't even.
Okay, that was funny.
It's a smile.
That even got me. Okay.
Even.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's
Okay.
the funniest joke ever.
Wow, Rose. Okay.
It
well,
was good,
Okay.
John. It was
It
good.
wasn't so much the joke. It was the fact that he like the way that he said it. It was so good.
Well, ready for this, kids.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Hey, Eric.
Hey, Juan.
Why is there a baguette in a cage at the zoo?
I don't know.
It was bred in captivity.
Okay, Tiger King.
Wait, was that?
Oh, he died. He
Tiger
was laughing.
King comment is what got me.
I don't know if that's
Okay.
an audible laugh, though. It's a smile.
Oh, the
I-
smile.
No, he was laughing. That was a laugh.
He was laughing.
It was
sure?
because of Riley saying
Yes.
Tiger King. That's why. Because her punchline was funnier
Okay.
than the joke.
Well,
Wow.
don't back. You can't
Wow.
be like strict.
Riley's the one who made it funny.
All right, what was your next one, Eric?
Hey, John.
Why are you yelling?
I don't know.
Yes, Eric.
You should really be careful for not leaving your jacket laying around.
Wait, what?
You should really be careful not leaving your jacket laying around. Your coat.
What?
Oh, wait, I butchered that one. Dang it.
Let's try that again.
Hey, John.
What?
Yes, Eric.
You should be careful not leaving your coat laying around.
Why?
Why though?
You never know. Someone might jack it.
Ah.
Okay. No.
Got it.
No.
I'll leave you with this. What? Hey, Eric.
Hey, John.
What does a baby computer call his father?
What?
Data. Get it?
See,
Okay.
that one is actually
Okay.
kind of funny.
Data, I say. Oh, the
Whoa.
champion yet again.
Thanks to
1.
Riley.
You're welcome, America. Your morning show's on.